everyone, my name is Agastya and welcome to my channel Curious Mind. Today we are going to do 5 experiments and in today's experiment my friend Shiva will help.
Hello everyone, today we will do 5 experiments more. So let's start it.
I have chosen the balcony because it is safer.
Our first experiment is fire protective balloon. I have taken this balloon. You can make as many as you want.
I will fill water in it and then I will show you what happens. This is water and air filled balloon.
Let's light up the candle.
We have lighted the candle
And this is the result. It is filled with air and water. So let's start the main experiment. It can also blow up. So do this experiment in adults. Do this experiment in presence of an adult. This balloon can also blow up. So let's see. It blows or not. So you can see the balloon is not blowing up. This is a cool experiment. You can do it at home also. So here we go at our second experiment. So this is our second experiment. In this experiment, we will make a spongy ball from an egg.
The things we need are an egg, glass and vinegar.
So I'll put some vinegar in the glass. Okay. Now you put an egg in this.
Okay. So we will leave it 24 hours.
So I have put the egg for 24 hours. Let's see what happened to the egg.
So I will take out the egg now.
You can see the egg is spongy looking. It's like a spongy ball. You can see. This is a funny experiment. You can do it at home. But again, do it in presence of an adult. So let's go for our third experiment.
Our third experiment and this experiment name is floating color in water. So these are things: a glass of water, 2 type of rings.
So let's start the experiment. Okay. Now so we have to fill ink in the glass. Now wait. So now we have to wait for some time.
Where are these spoons?
This is our fourth experiment. In this experiment, we will prove how the plants eat their food. So I have plants, a water glass, and color. Poster color. Avi, now you apply some color.
Okay.
Okay, so now we will put it for 24 hours and check it out what will happen to it. So we will put it for 24 hours and then we will check what will happen to the plant. We will show what will happen to the plant after 24 hours. So this is our final experiment. In this experiment, we will fill air in the balloon using baking soda and vinegar. Vinegar is already put in the bottle. Here is our baking soda.
I have filled vinegar in this bottle and also I have filled baking soda in this balloon.
Now I will do this. No. Don't do it. It's so dangerous, so do this in the presence of adults. Let's do it. What happens? Let's see. So you can see it is filling. We have not done anything. We have filled. So these are 4 experiments we have done today. First is our
Fire protective balloon, spongy egg,
filling air with vinegar and baking soda in a balloon, showing how plants eat their food. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Stay safe, stay healthy.